YouTube. I just want to say hi. I had surgery the other day. I have a porta-cat. Kind of bummed about it, but this week's video is a room tour. The last video I posted was all about cleaning my room, and in that video I didn't do like a before and after shot because I totally forgot. So I thought I would do this one as a room tour so that you guys can see everything. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm so tired. And then I told my mom that I didn't want to edit, and then she said that I have to because it's my job to make sure that she can retire early. I have 120 subscribers. Why does she think she's gonna get to retire early? No, she's so cute. I mean, obviously that's the dream, I guess, but the odds of that happening, I fear, are very low. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you next week. Mwah. Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline, and I have missed you. Today's video is going to be a little room tour. These are my dirty clothes, so pretend they're not there. So my furniture is from Ashley. It's just like this really classic white furniture. Here is my dresser. On top, I kind of just have room sprays. I got my Alexa. And I have this candle. I got this candle from Target. It's called Peppermint Snow. It's from Threshold. It smells so good. And then over here, I have this little trinket dish where I keep my most worn jewelry, which is like my little M necklace, my heart necklace, 2 pairs of gold hoops. Here I have my lovely little empty picture frame. These pictures, I have one on either side of my mirror, and they're like these glass frames. You can see straight through them, and I have like pressed flowers in them. Over here's my closet. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek, but we're not gonna go into too much detail because it's messy. I was reorganizing stuff and I have not finished, so ignore that. But this is where I keep, obviously, my clothes, but I also have some food because my family likes to eat all my food because I get the good stuff. Then I have my nails, well, my nail products. My shoes are kept up here. Over here I have my stuffed animals. I have a ton of other stuffed animals actually, but these are just like my favorites, I guess. I don't know, I love them all equally, so I hate to say that, but you know, anyway. Up here I have some more Squishmallows. Over here, this thing's falling down. This is like my, oh God! Okay, so over here I have some more stuffed animals, including my precious Palm Pals. I just got these 2 for Christmas. This is Peebs, the calico cat. This is Hedgie, the hedgehog, and this is Sweetie Cow. And I've had her the longest, clearly. My duplicate bunny, I'll get to that in a minute. And then some more Squishmallows up there. I have extra yoga supplies, my winter coat, my swimsuits, and none of them fit me. And then this Juicy Couture duffel bag that was broken when I bought it. Here I have my little Blogilates yoga kit. I always keep my purse hanging right here because if I don't, I have no idea where it is ever. So here's my lovely little bookshelf. It's just 3 shelves and I just got it off of Amazon, but I do actually need more space because I've got some other books down here as well. On top of it is where I keep all of my hair stuff. So in this basket, it's like my hair styling tools, like my combs and my brushes and my little flexi rods. And then in here I have my accessories, my hair ties, my scrunchies, my other scrunchies, clips, and then all the way around. Here I have my styling products. So I have my spray bottle and my leave-in conditioners, my sun-in, and then this I honestly thought was overhyped, but it is the best thing I've ever bought for my hair, I think. It just makes my hair look so clean and good. That's all on this little tray that actually came in a set with some other pieces that I have somewhere else in my room, and I got it from Target. And I have this mirror for when I'm doing my hair so I can see the back of my head. And here I have some headbands. I made this one. This is my jewelry box. I got this from Target as well. All the rest of my jewelry in there. Underneath my jewelry box, I have this matching bamboo makeup box with a little mirror inside and some extra makeup that I like to use often enough to have, but not quite often enough to put in my makeup cart, which we'll get to in a minute. So on my bookshelf, I just have books primarily. Down here, I have Lockwood & Co., which I made in 2024. I made a Christmas wish list video, and this was on it, and I got it. And I read every single one of them within like 3 weeks, and they're so good. The next present I got is Lockwood & Co., book number 1, book number 2, book number 3, book number 4, and book number 5. Yeah, I got the whole set, baby. I am so, like, I saw the show on Netflix and it was so good. And I'm really upset that they canceled it. I don't know why they would do that, but they did. Then down here, I have things that aren't books, but I don't really have anywhere else to put. So here's like my camera bag and my tripod and stuff. And then behind it, I have a giant box of crayons. This is for my Nintendo Switch, and this is the case for a game for my Nintendo Switch. Some journals and coloring books, and this is actually a dot-to-dot book of dinosaurs. And here, I'm not going to pull this one out because it has my very personal information on it, because this is my journal with all of my medical information. Over here, I have my journals that I actually write in all down here, and then this is my book journal, which I never use. And then this is my planner journal, which I also never use. This is my precious little ficus. Her name is Fernanda. She's got pink leaves when they grow in. Look at that pink. This is Franklin's bed. You guys know him. You love him. Franklin, my multi-poo. Up here, I have these beautiful curtains from Amazon. I love them. Look at this little, like, design. And they're like a sheer white, like a linen material, but it's probably not actually linen. And I've got these Christmas lights hung up. I did hang them up for Christmas, but then I decided to leave them up because they're cute and cozy. Here I have my 2 hanging plants. These are both pothoses. Pothos, I don't know. Over here is my desk / vanity. Oh, Barbara, vanity. So I got this, like, the TikTok crisscross chair, and then I spilled yum yum sauce for Japanese food all over, like, right in the crotch area. So here at my desk is just from Amazon. God, I have so much stuff. My colored pencils, my paint markers, you know, just stuff that, like, I do, like, a lot of journaling. And then in this side, I have even more stuff. These are tiny garbage bags for my trash can under my desk. But then I have 4 pencil cases full of different, whatever, who cares? I'm a little embarrassed at how much stuff I have now, and I never really noticed that before, so. Anyway, over here I have this lamp. I believe I got this lamp from Target, and it's very cute. I love it. And then over here, I have the book I'm reading right now, Remarkably Bright Creatures by Shelby Van Pelt. It's very good so far. And I have the journal that I'm currently writing in, and then my fit journal, and then this book that I have just kind of like for random shit to write down. And then this is all about my YouTube. This coaster, you guys, I made it. I made this coaster. Here's my Apple Watch charger and my laptop. And then I have this big mirror. And this little mirror that I bought from Walmart with lights on it for anything close up that I need to do. Under my desk, like I said, I just have this little white trash can that I think I also got from Target. On the top shelf of this rolly cart that I got from Target. And these are all of my perfumes / body sprays. Then in here, this is one of the little things from the set that I mentioned earlier. And this is where I keep all of my favorite lip products. This one, the Naturium Vital Glow Lip Balm Shimmer. Love it. The Glossier Balm.com. Love it. I have 4 of them. The second shelf down is where I keep my daily makeup. So here I have this Mario Badescu Rose Facial Spray. This is the Say City set. And this is the Tower 28 SOS Spray. Then here I just have some cotton pads, then Rail Miracle Patches for when I get little pimples. I have 2 of these Grace and Stella eye patches. These ones are blue. Love them. The blue ones get rid of like your dark circles. And then I have these gold ones too, which just like brighten up your eyes overall, I think. Energizing. These are energizing eye masks. Then in this thingy back here, hard to see, but this is where I keep all of my face makeup. So things like foundation, skin tint, highlighter, blush. Then in here I have my eye products. I've got eyeshadows, and then I've got brow products, eyeliners. This is the best brow gel I've ever used from Rare Beauty. Then on this third shelf, in this Hello Kitty makeup bag, these are all of my makeup tools. So my brushes, my eyelash curlers, my tweezers, my dermaplaners, stuff like that, my beauty blenders. I have some extra skincare products and face masks. These little mini skincare products and these serums, I just kind of have them sitting here so that they don't make a whole bunch of clutter in my bathroom, which is where I do my skincare and stuff. And then down here, I have all of my lotions and my deodorants. Yes, I have two. I have an unscented one from Secret, and then I have the Dove Sugar Cookie Sprinkle Holiday Treat scent, and it smells so good. Here is my lovely little nightstand. On top of my nightstand, I have this cutesy little nightlight. Then I have this pink champagne candle from Target. It smells very, very good. I burned it down to nothing. Then I have my glasses case. My Glossier hand cream. I put this on every morning and every night, followed by my Olive and June Cuticle Serum, which I also put on every morning and every night. And of course, I keep my water bottle here. In here, it's a little bit messy, but I have some other stuff that is like my medicines, my melatonin, my multivitamin, my matches for my candles. And here I have some more medicine that I just picked up and I haven't organized yet. I have chapsticks, lotions, cuticle oil from Holo Taco, and a cuticle balm from Burt's Bees. Aquaphor, of course. And then down here, I have everything related to my technology. So I have my old phone because for some reason Verizon didn't want it. So now I have a 13 and a 16. So this is a new screen protector, which I actually really need to put on my phone. Here's my iPad and my magic keyboard. And then this little box is my screen protectors for my Nintendo Switch. Then I have wires in there. It's so hard to organize wires, okay? This is a phone stand that I got off Amazon. It's a little pink bunny. And then I have my Apple Watch bands that I got off Amazon. I'm wearing the brown one right now. My bed. I have a queen size mattress, and the bed frame matches my nightstands and my dresser. I got all of my bedding from Target except for this blanket. I think it came from Walmart, but I'm not totally sure because I actually won it in a cookie baking competition at my apartment complex. And the green sheets are from Threshold. The duvet cover is from Casa Luna, and the duvet insert is from Threshold. This giant knit blanket, this is folded in half like 6 times. It's huge because I accidentally bought it in a king size instead of queen, but you know what? I love it anyway. It's the softest thing I've ever felt. Most beautiful anything ever. This is from Threshold. This pillow is super, super stiff. It's like memory foam, I think, and it's actually from IKEA. On my pillow, I have a Casa Luna cooling pillow cover because this is the only one that I actually sleep on. I don't have any on the other ones because it was like $15. And then on my mattress itself, I have the cooling mattress cover from Casa Luna. Here is my 2 stuffed animals that I sleep with. Honestly, I was hesitating putting them on my bed, but you know what? Yeah, they're there, and I love them, and I sleep with them every night. This is Frobert, but I just call him Frobby, and he wears overalls and camo underwear every single day, all day, every day. He also has some shirts and jeans and a pair of Converse somewhere in my closet. And this is Bunny. He has been through it. I have had Bunny since I was 6 years old, but before that I actually had the same Bunny from when I was a baby, but then I lost him on a trip in Washington, D.C., so we had to buy a new one because obviously I need a new one. And then for my 12th birthday, I got that duplicate Bunny that I showed you in my closet. I don't have very much on my walls because I really like my room being like a calm place for me to go. I don't want to come into my room and like immediately be overstimulated. It's definitely, I definitely have a lot of stuff. I am aware. I've been collecting everything throughout my entire life, so I have a bunch of stuff that I've had since I was like 9 years old. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and comment down below what your favorite thing about your bedroom is, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.